Yeah, welcome to the Catalyst Swarm after Town Hall, everyone. And happy Wednesday. There are lots of town halls all over the world. Please click on the link here and sign up for the next one that's closest to you, because there's lots of people in that you can connect with that are more regional specific, and that's really cool. I know I've met a couple people who live within an hour or so of me who are interested in Cardano, and those have been very enriching relationships in my life. All right, there we go. And we got, on top of town halls, we've got community events. Each Tuesday, the Gimbal Labs Playground meets at 1800 UTC. There's also other events in and around Gimbal Labs. I know they PBL courses and other things happening throughout the week, so go over to Gimbal Labs and check out what they have going on. Lots of learning happening over there. Cardano for Climate meets Wednesdays at 1500 UTC. Another very active group. You've seen a lot of people in today's call over there. And yeah, really warm and cool people. Go check them out. Saturday Swarm sessions happen at 1700 UTC. They don't happen every single Saturday, but most Saturdays. So tap into the Swarm Discord server to find out what's going on. Lido Nation meets Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 3:30 a.m. UTC on Twitter Spaces. So go hang out with him and all the Twitter pals hanging out on Twitter Spaces. Cardano Catalyst Women, they have a monthly event, and you can find that at their website here. We got Innovatio. They got a newsletter and several people like Juan here who can help answer your questions about what's going on around the Cardano community and what's going on in their community, because these guys have been hosting a community for over a year and a half now, so well connected, I'm sure. If you want to host a After Town Hall breakout room here after the IoT Town Hall on Wednesdays, click on this link or scan this QR code, fill out the form. As long as you've filled out that form by 1700 UTC on Tuesdays, you can have a breakout room the following day.